The first and foremost function is that they protect the artwork. They allow us to hang the artwork on the wall. Often frames are gilded, which is symbolic of wealth. They're expensive. I'm Lisa Charleston and I'm the conservation technician here at TMAG. It would be the decision of the curators whether or not we try and restore this frame, or alternatively we could make a replica simple timber frame to replace this one. We believe that it's not original to the painting, and there's a few sort of clues that lead us to make that conclusion. So this frame is a typical 1840s portrait frame. However, it's not the frame belonging to Mr. White. We now have to make the decision, considering that the frame that he's presently in is unsympathetic and quite in poor condition. So we may need to reframe Mr. White. So this frame has a lot of damages and losses. I think you can probably see around these corners there's a lot of missing parts. It has a really dull kind of surface. If you kind of look at that, that's gilded, that's quite light and luminous. This is very dull and thick. So now that we have the painting up here in the lab, we'll proceed to unframe it so that we can safely work on the frame separate to the painting, and then start the process of documenting the condition of the frame and making decisions based on that as to how we proceed with the treatment, with the cleaning and with replacing the elements, or making a replica frame for the painting. The really rewarding part of my job here is to be able to take a frame which, like this one, is quite dull and it doesn't have any sort of life, to giving it a second life by cleaning it and giving it the sheen back, giving it its life back.